Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing the ERAZER XT66 Pro OWS. So it is one of those AI translation earbuds that help you translate what the other person is speaking. So for example, you're going to China and you don't speak Chinese and you speak to a local and they don't speak English. Basically, if you're wearing these earbuds, they can actually detect what the Chinese person is saying and automatically translate it for you. And as you can see, they are claimed that they have super headphones equipped with AI translation, long battery life, comfortable and lightweight, Bluetooth 5.4, and attention here, you must connect your headset to your phone, then connect the headset to your app in your phone. Please feel free to contact me if you blah blah blah, and basically some more instructions. And as you can see right here, they're actually rated 4.0 out of 5 stars with 255 ratings. So let's scroll on down to the reviews here at the bottom. And as you can see, 61% rated at 5 star, and many said that it is great, earphones very good, works well. And some people are saying that they're not translating earbuds, they're just buds, so maybe they just didn't follow the instructions carefully. And as you can see, that came with no instruction, so maybe she didn't read the instructions carefully or didn't do research. So one person said it has slow translation, but it does work. You have Bluetooth, and many people enjoy this product. So if you're trying to test this product out for yourself, you can go ahead. It is not a scam, it is legit. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.